Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to make a professional dog whistle out of a regular paper clip. First thing you got to do is just make sure that you have a paper clip, of course. It doesn't have to be any kind of special paper clip in any way. Pretty much any one of these will work. They can even be the ones that have like the different colors on them and all that. It really doesn't matter. So let's get to how you do it. The first thing you want to do is you're going to take this part of it and just kind of make it at a right angle there, as close as you can get. It doesn't have to be exact. The point is it's just going to go off and kind of turn like that. The second thing you want to do is actually take the actual clip part right here and you're just going to push it forward. Forward or backward, it really doesn't matter either that too much. So it's going to look kind of like that. Okay. And then the next thing you got to do is you're going to twist. This is what I call handle, the handle here. When I teach people how to do this, this is the part that you want to actually twist, and you're going to make a small loop. I don't know if you can see it that well. Let me adjust this. Kind of a small loop right there in that little lip right there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do it real quick. Okay. Just like that. And that is where the blowing is going to come out of. And that's now all you do from this point is you're going to take the end that isn't curved, this part right here, the handle, you're going to turn it in and push until it gets through the loop. And it stays there like that. It doesn't matter how deep you have it in there as far as the loop goes, but that's going to be what you're going to want it to look like. Okay? And then how it's going to work is you actually will push on this part, and then when you blow, the dog whistle will work. It works every time. Dogs come to it every single time. It's amazing, and I'm going to show you guys a video on how this works. So stay tuned, and we're going to go to that. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to use the professional dog whistle that we made out of a paperclip. And here we go. Here, doggy, 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 doggy. Here, doggy, 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 doggy. Works every time.